it's me. Goodness, getting fat, ain't I? But no, it's me, Wayne. Everybody calls me Drifter, but just want to get real quick, say hello to all my friends, family, and subscribers. But mainly, to say hello to my new subscribers. I've got quite a few. I think it was yesterday or the day before yesterday. There's another channel, I guess, that watched mine or run across me somehow. And I'm terrible with names. The ones that been following me and know me know I'm terrible with names. I think they're called The Roads We Roam, I think. But anyway, they seemed like a super awesome couple. And they did something really nice, you know, got a bunch of their subscribers come over and join me. So I really appreciate it. I really do. So I just want to introduce myself to you, to the new ones. And I'm at work today. I'm just taking a little break. That's the reason I'm wearing my monkey suit. But yeah, just want to introduce myself real quick. Of course, you know my name's Wayne, but just a real quick overlook of what this channel is. I started this channel mainly so my friends and family could keep up with me. You know, while I'm out on the road, they just, you know, kind of see where I'm at, what I'm doing, and that's mainly what it was, just a way for friends and family just to keep in touch with me. But I never intended to be, you know, to grow or become a YouTube superstar or nothing like that. But along the way, people started joining it, you know, subscribing to me and following. So, you know, hey, I appreciate it. I'm not complaining. I certainly appreciate it. But just for the new people, this channel is not what I like to call a Hollywood production. It's pretty raw. I don't do much editing. You know, little things I'll take out, but yeah, really, I don't do hardly any editing at all. It's just, it is what it is. You know, this is me. This is how I live my life. This is what I do every day. You know, that type of thing. And it's kind of a, I guess you call it like a, what's the word I'm trying to think of? Kind of like a variety channel. I mean, yeah, I live in my RV, but I don't do this, you know, this is how to live in an RV, or, you know, this is how you fix this in an RV. It's just day-to-day stuff. It's kind of like a variety. Today I may show you some cool bird I found out in the woods, and tomorrow we may be hunting the riverbanks for bottles, you know. It's just whatever I'm in the mood to be doing that day. That's pretty much what this channel's about. So I just wanted to let most of the new folks know up front that this, you know, this isn't a big Hollywood production. I don't have a studio and 10-man crew. It's just me at the camera and my phone, just doing what I do, you know. So anyway, I hope you stick around, and I'm certainly glad to have you. And I'm just going to get off here. Like I always say, if anybody knows me, I end up rambling in circles and not making no sense about nothing. My videos end up being 45 minutes long. So I'm definitely going to get off here right now. I just wanted to say hello, introduce myself. Certainly let you know I appreciate having you. Really tickled that you subscribed to me. So yeah, hope you stick around for the ride. Let me think real quick. Well, nothing's real quick with me, but I can't remember what today's date is, but I think I got, about 3 weeks before I leave off, head to North Dakota. Really, okay, since I'm already on that, and then I'm going to end the video right after this. I used to travel. I've been doing this for several years. Started out in the Class C, and then I started traveling doing the van thing. And now I'm in a vintage travel trailer, a 1980 Winnebago that I'm currently restoring and living in at the same time. So that really makes it difficult to restore when you're living in it, but I'm slowly getting it. But yeah, what I was going to say, my first couple years, I'm like everybody you see on here, I was just all over the map. I mean, just every week in a different state. I kind of got that out of my system. What I do now, I'm in my home area where I was born and raised. I wasn't really raised in this particular town, but I'm pretty close to my hometown. I just come to this area because of the landscape. It's got the lakes and the woods. I really like this area. So I come here in the summertime, find me some little job on a golf course or something, and I stay here all during the summer. I pretty much chase warm weather is what I'm getting at. I don't stay in cold weather no more. So I stay here in the summer. You know, I might venture off here and there, but really never too far. Then come fall, you know, I head up north to the sugar beet harvest. And then from there, you know, it's getting pretty cold by then. So from there, I just head somewhere warm, whether it be Arizona or Florida or, you know, Texas. Yeah, just anywhere warm. I don't really have a particular spot I go to, just as long as it's warm. So that's another thing. I don't travel all over the map, you know, like some of these people that you see on here do. For one thing, that costs a lot of money. And I like to say I'm retired. I'm only in my 40s, but I like to say I'm retired. I had a business and I sold it, so I call that being retired. But yeah, I can't spend that kind of money running all over the map. The main reason why is the more money I spend, the more I have to work. And I'm just gonna be honest with you, I ain't trying to work. I know that sounds bad, but yeah, that's the whole point of doing what I'm doing, to be able to enjoy life and not work myself, you know, to death. If I was gonna work a full-time job, a 9 to 5 or whatever, I'd go back home. You know, I wouldn't be no sense in doing this. So yeah, that's the reason I take these little jobs, to have enough money to survive on, pay a few bills, and try to leave as much time free as I can to, you know, enjoy life, do whatever, you know. Mainly what I like doing is being in the woods, fishing, oh, kicking around in the creeks looking for old antique bottles, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, all right, I think I've rambled long enough. Just want to get on here and say hello to my aunt. This is the main reason I started this channel, is for her, but all my family and friends. And yeah, just want to let you know I'm glad to have you, and I'll see you next time. God bless you.